We have always seen about data cleaning in Python. That is the pre-processing the data, checking for nulls, uh, and then checking if the data follows a particular standard. So now let us see how can we do the same within SQL. So here I create a table, and here this particular table has customer ID, name, email, age. Small, so here age is null, here there is an invalid email format, and here there is a null in the name. So I clean the table, and also I feed all this into a new table. So here I trim the name, and after trimming I should not get just the quotes, that is it should have some data within it. Moreover, the email should not be null, and it should look like person, that is anything at and then anything dot and something else. So it should check for basic email validation. Apart from that, email should not be null and name should not be null. If so be the case, it should feed the data into a new table. So into a new table can be specified like this. So here I give in the query the table already exists into what I want to feed, and so here I say and now let us look into the table. So here there was one in which the name was null, so that record is removed. There was one in which email was not correct, that is removed. Apart from that, all other records are maintained. And let us see what processing has been done here. So first of all, here I want to capitalize first letter of each word in the name, and that has been done using that has been done using the functions trim, substring, lower, upper, concat. So these are the functions that I used. Now let us see what has been done here. So I want to concat this and this. First of all, let us look into what is this. So here I give the left of name, that is I want to get one character in the name. Let me just demonstrate this to you. Concat, and I want uppercase in the first alphabet alone. How do I get the first alphabet? That will be using left. And in the left I want the name, the first character alone. Now, but not just I will not pass the name alone, I will call trim of name. So this has been done in the left hand side portion. Now coming to the left and right hand side portion, I want to extract anything after that. So it is going to be lower of. So from the second character onwards. So I want to give a substring function. Substring, I am calling for the name. Actually it is name comma 2 comma the total length. Now I just don't want to pass the name. Instead I want to pass the trim of name. That has been done here. Moreover, length cannot be assessed as such. Length is a function, and I'm calling that length on trim of name. So this has been included here. all email in lowercase and replacing any null in age with 0. So what does COALESCE do is, here it will pick the first non-null argument. So here age, if it is null, it will be replaced with 0. And this data gets fed into a table called clean customers. This is how we can clean the data. Next, we are going to look into how do we clean the reviews that we see here like this.